Hi, I'm Kim Blake with Mike Blake Custom Homes. Please take a second to click like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you about central vac systems. This central vac system is in the wall and I have floor sweeps, so I'm going to show you both things about it. I love central vacs. They're super convenient. It makes it quick and easy to clean up in any room that I'm in, especially if you have hard surface flooring. So first, the wall one, you just pull it right out of the wall. You would add an attachment here. You simply push a button to turn it on. When you're done, all you do is push this back on and let it retract back up on its own. Turn it off, close it up, nobody even notices it's there. Now let me show you a floor sweep. I try to put floor sweeps in any area that I know I'll have to sweep, pretty consistently, like in a master bathroom. This is an area where we track little pieces of grass and things like that. So this was a really perfect spot right behind the door. All you do is push this little button. And there you go. It's gone. Easy, and it's kind of fun actually, kind of fun. I have one in a kitchen, I have one here, one in an office. So anywhere you think you'll need to be sweeping consistently, it's a great place to add. Thanks for watching. Kim Blake with Mike Blake Custom Homes.